goggles. And let's, without any further ado, high rates, safe is on. I've also never flown an EDF, so I'm just going to use a lot of throttle. It's also really windy out here, but this looks incredible. Flying into the wind here. My battery's beeping at me, but thanks. Okay, it's for sure. Wow. Okay, I just charged these batteries, so it's either something wrong with the batteries or not, but they landed. That's impressive. That is amazing that we kept that a smooth landing. The whole time it was trying to stay up. All right. Huh, it lasted all of a couple seconds and then it just started saying that it was out of battery. So what I'm gonna do for this next, I got 2 batteries, the exact same. So I'm not gonna try to fly this. I'm gonna try and just putz around. It's not like it's hot. They are older batteries. I might have to invest in some newer batteries because this should still be flying just fine. Pop that in there. Again, I'm not gonna try to go anywhere. What I wanna do is taxi. I'm gonna put the goggles on, but I'm gonna try to taxi, turn around, or I'll record with the goggles. Okay, recording goggles. All I'm gonna do is get her up to speed, and then turn it around. Okay, can't turn that way very well, but it immediately told me I got up, it started beeping, then as I turned it, I could hear the engines just like not working. That's the beauty of the canopy, is that the camera stays safe. But let's see, I wonder if I just sit here and just goose it, see how long it lasts before it freaks out at me. Alright, you know what? Did I learn my lesson? Maybe, but maybe not. This one isn't beeping at me, so I'm gonna try to fly it. We're just gonna go for a little takeoff, turn around, and land, just for the sake of the plane. But we're back. We've got a lot of wind. Safe is off. We're getting blown around quite a bit. It does sound really cool. There's probably about 15 to 20 miles an hour of wind. I chose to fly because I really wanted to. Turning around is a chore. Look at that, just getting battered. But look, it looks amazing in the canopy. I mean, I didn't throw any extra shine or any extra polish. I do have to like constantly just keep track of how things are going. I have to throw safe on. I'm still getting rocked around quite a bit, which is expected. There's a ton of wind for a small plane. But when I go this way, I just get moving. I'm trying to keep throttle in the turns. When in doubt, throttle out. Okay. Let's not push our luck here. Let's go for a nice landing. I've got high rates, safe off. And remember, I was able to land it when I had very little throttle. Can I land it when I'm in just fine conditions? That looked like a bird. We'll check the replay later. Oh yeah, that's a tough landing. But all right, that's a UMX A10 with the canopy. Oh, can I even turn it around? Maybe I can just drive it back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, that was a tough landing, but we just have one bent. Look at that, one bent gear, and now we're back. Success. Nice. It is so windy, like just holding it, I'm getting rocked around. So I am amazed that this plane was at least able to fly for that long. Should be rolling here. All right, let's get into the air. I know the light works. Oh yeah. This will be a fun one to land. I was planning on flying a little bit earlier, but I'll have to make do. I can feel bugs on my face. You can tell it is mighty dark out, and I'm only planning on doing one battery. But man, it's flying fine. I'm getting eaten alive by bugs though. All right, let's bring it into land. Let's not push it here with limited visibility and all. All I'm gonna do is turn around. That's fine. I couldn't see very well, but let's go grab it. This guy out in front. I mean, that looks pretty crazy. All right. I don't want to bother these good people who are out here. Really quick, if you're liking the content, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're watching on a mobile device, make sure to hype the video because it boosts our video in the algorithm and it really helps our videos pop. And we really appreciate it. It helps boost our channel as well. So thank you so much for watching, and let's get back to the video. Landing, turn, please turn. Oh yeah. All right, well that's the UMX Thunderbolt 2 A10 in way too much wind with a camera in the canopy. It's awesome. It's really cool. This will be both at the end of the build video and we're upside down, but the camera's protected. So thank you so much for watching. This has been Inverted Aviators RC. Stick around for more videos and projects like this.